Pull up to Logan's store and we're gonna tell him the good news about the Audi. We're gonna get a car wash because there's all over my car, literally. So we're gonna pull up now and we'll let him know and we'll see what he says. I'm super excited. I think it's gonna be awesome. You guys are excited that I'm back. Drop a like down below or a comment or something. Anything helps with the small channel. Almost monetized, I'm almost there. I've been posting, I'd probably be monetized by now, but I'm not. Help blow this video up for me. Posted a few good videos and a lot of people seem to like them. And the content's only gonna get better and better the more I make videos. So if you like what I do and you wanna support me, subscribe. Let's go tell Logan the good news. It's like 2 days later or the next day. Decided to swing by after work. All right, I came to tell you some news.
What?
That I kind of told you about the other day.
What about it?
So you know the Audi, the RS7?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're doing a stadium and we are on it.
If I knew how to do the gritty right now.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell, man. That's pretty dumb. Are you for real though?
Yeah. What?
Asking and praying for this to happen for a long time? To get to ride in it or what?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Look at that shoo.
I drove the car yesterday.
You did?
Yeah. It's right next. What'd you used to have? Tell me what car you used to have. What
An Audi and a Mustang and a bike and an airplane.
And then what did you do?
Sold them. Stupid.
Sold them.
Sold them.
Moron.
Wrecked one.
Wrecked one.
Wrecked one.
Wrecked one.
I
Sold the other.
I didn't wreck it. Someone else wrecked it.
Is there anything messing with the RS7 with the state?
Missing?
No, like is anybody messing with it? Like,
No, brother. No, not even a Lamborghini, bro. Audi is like,
how much horsepower do you think it's gonna be? Yeah.
like 900, 800, 900 at least, like all day.
976 horsepower.
Yeah, see, that's close.
Or 986. So we'll just say 1,000,
Yeah, I was
because you know it's close enough.
You can just round up. That's guy math, dude.
Yeah.
Anything crazier, then it's like just not road legal, like at all. You know what I mean? I think state is even pushing it, like.
Okay.
So you almost just don't even register and have fake plates and just fucking.
I mean, don't do that.
Not like I've done it. I haven't.
Have you?
No.
What do you think about the new Missouri plates, the all black ones?
Those are pretty tough, actually.
You actually mess with those? I might get one.
They're like New York, kind of. New York has black plates.
Or should I keep the back, the blue ones?
Black. Black would look sick on that.
All black.
Oh, actually, Audi is using Lamborghini's engine for their new R8.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they're cooking, bro. So really, I mean, Lamborghini, Audi, same.
All these people are going to be staring at me while I do this, but here's the walk around if you haven't seen it. And then I know might have thrown some pictures up. We need to get a wash. Oh my God, we need to get a wash. I didn't even see this. There's the crack. And here's where you could still kind of tell, but here's where the bumper like totally got destroyed. But like you can see now, it's not going anywhere. I wish I was using my camera, but the audio sucks right now. So I want to do a little walk around. I mentioned a few videos ago that I'd be fixing this blinker. I did end up fixing it, and it was a total pain in the ass, and I ended up losing the footage for that. It was on the old GoPro, which I lost when it fell off my car on the highway, so I never got that back. But I did get that on there. It was a big pain. Process for this was hard, but knowing how to do it was really easy. It's just trying to get it to fit in the spot, which was the difficult part. Also, you know, like I mentioned before, I needed to fix the wing. I just haven't done it. It really hasn't been that big of a deal right now, so I just kind of had left it. And I did, of course, just get a detail. But look at this. Like, come on, bro. And there. What a joke, bro. But anyway, I mentioned earlier in the video the Audi getting some work done. And we have it right here. It's not done yet. But here she is in all of her glory. I'm going to do a full video on this here soon. So don't worry, especially when it gets all done. I'm waiting for everything to be completed first before I do the video, or I'll do it before and after. I haven't figured that out yet, but here it is, man. The Audi Sport, sitting in probably one of my dream cars. But here's the car. It's gonna be a short video. I wanted it to be longer, but I really don't have anything else to record right now. I am going to be posting another video, which I'm about to go film right now. It's going to be some more mod ideas. It's going to be like my older videos, like some of my first videos. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. It was quick, it was short, but I thought it would be kind of fun to post anyway. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.